welcome to today's video. I decided to make this video at the last minute, and guess what? That's it, right. I'm back at that shopping mall that we did the video on the other day. And the reason I'm here is because I know we all can't just live off of street food every day. There's a place in most of the shopping malls here in Thailand that's a great place to eat. When you get tired of eating street food, believe it or not, there's a great place in the shopping mall. I'm gonna take you there.
Just take a ride along the bay. We don't need to work, we can sit around and play. I've been waiting for the...
So pretty much every shopping mall that I've been in Thailand has one of these, and you can get some really traditional, well, kind of traditional food at this place. So let's check it out. So here it is, the good old hot pot. Hot pot is a buffet. And here's your selection. And what you do is you actually cook your own food at your table.
All I wanna do is...
They've also got some pre-cooked stuff, some tempura vegetables. They've got sushi.
We'll be drinking champagne on the beach of Malibu. Cruising down the boulevard, kissing in the backseat of the car. Making love.
And at the end of your meal, you've even got ice cream. So I'm meeting my friend here, Klong. Say hello. So this one you get actually hot coals to barbecue, and you get a pot of boiling water. How are you, Koi?
This fight would be. I've been catching sunstroke. All I wanna do is satisfy you.
One of the things you want to do when you're cooking this is get the bacon on first. Gets a little bit of grease on the grill so everything else won't stick. Well, that was amazing. I'm so full, but the food is really good in there. You get that real charred taste from the cooking on that charcoal grill, the beef and the chicken. Really good. About $9 US for each person. So if you get a chance, check it out. I think you'll like it.